Earlier this week, a good friend of mine working at the Disney office out of Sandusky, Ohio, knew that I was coming down here for vacation and said, could you please go over to Epcot in the Thoroughfare Square right across from the Fish and Chips and fix another sign that's down. And sure enough, I said, sure, I'm here anyway. And here it is. This one actually goes in the ground and there's some Velcro. It just looks like the wind knocked it down is all. Just a little pressure Velcro back there. Looks great. As an extra added bonus, while we're here in Orlando, we tried to find our room and it was 15 something, 1504. It went from 1503 to 502. And we were confused for about a half hour until